for further, aiming to further curb the spread of COVID-19 also come into effect from today onwards. Put all this together to begin with, get us an update on the current situation in the state.
Right, when we were talking about day before yesterday, the number had come down to 27,000 daily count of Maharashtra's COVID positive numbers. But yesterday again, we did see that the numbers again rose to 39,544. So these numbers, we know for the fact that these numbers are bound to rise, because people have also played Holi in their societies, among with their friends. So these numbers are bound to rise. Apart from that, yesterday Maharashtra has reported more than 220 deaths. That is an alarming situation in Maharashtra. Also, we are seeing that people above 45 years of age, they have started to get their vaccination from today onwards. So if both the government centers also and private centers also, they are hosting the entire vaccination drive, and once again the largest vaccination drive of anywhere of the world has begun from today, because in Maharashtra also we are seeing most deaths are of the age between 45 to 60. So this was the age group which had to be targeted for them to get vaccinated as quickly as possible. And we are here at a private nursing home where the vaccination has already begun, and 45 years of age people would come here today at 9 a.m. and either through CoWIN app they can register themselves, or they can come here, and on-site registration is also available. The process is same: first shot, and then they have to wait for half an hour for observation, and then they can choose whether to take the second shot in 4 weeks time or 8 weeks time. That is on them. But yes, lot of private centers are also coming into the picture, because vaccination drive has to be ramped up, and the target of Maharashtra's government or Maharashtra's health department will now be at 4 lakh people every day.
Right.